Sunday, y'all. So we're just coming back from the supermarket. Just grab some few stuff and chicken to cook for dinner. Today it is 3:21 in the afternoon. And I left my house probably like half an hour ago to go to the supermarket. Now I'm back home basically, and yeah, we're gonna cook today. I'm gonna say something, and then this is so norm for my vlogs. If you have been watching my videos, it's 3:22 now, and I have not had anything from morning.
Stop it. Get some help.
So we're gonna. I bought cereal, Cheerios, so I'm gonna have that right now, and then the chicken is gonna go in the air fryer because it's just lazy cooking today. What I realized with myself, I really need to start prepping my dinner from the night before, something that I normally do and what my mother has taught me. Because when I go to the supermarket on Sundays, I go late in the afternoon and then I don't want to cook again. So I really need to figure out a strategic plan to prep food for today, for Sunday, and for also the week. Anyways, we're gonna go in. Today is just such a lazy day as well. Like, I just feel really lazy. I don't want to do anything. So I'm just gonna have the cereal, lie down in the couch. Yeah. I do have an event to attend to tonight, but I don't know if I want to go because I just want to stay in, to be honest. And the other thing, well, for this person's event, the first one I did attend and a support. Then the other day they had a birthday event, but I wasn't able to go because I think I told y'all this yesterday. So I'm not sure if I'm up to go today. Depending on how I feel later, I will let you guys know. Yeah, but how do you guys like the hair? I love it so much. The hair is giving, the color is giving. I know it's synthetic, so I'm gonna have like hopefully I don't have a lot of knots and stuff into it, but this hair is literally just gonna be for 3 weeks max, and then I'm gonna change it. So that is the plan, guys. So I'm gonna open my gate right now and head inside, and yeah, hopefully I do get the facial done today. I'm gonna try. Alright, guys, I'm gonna show you what I got for what I pick up at the supermarket. It's just a few items. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast: the honey Cheerios. I need to buy, there's another one that comes with the berries or the strawberries. Those are the ones that I need to buy and eat. So yeah, I'm gonna get into purchasing that. This one is it's whole grain oats, so yeah, this is fine, but this is not the best one to eat actually. So I need to get the other ones with all of those stuff in it. And I just got chicken for today and tomorrow's dinner. We got spinach. Spinach is a must. I put spinach in my eggs. Spinach, good for fibroids. And I just did a top up of tissue and bath soap like I normally do. I'm not gonna say anything. This too, it is not good to eat. Do not eat any processed sausage. But I really wanted something to have with my eggs, and bacon is a no-no, turkey sausage, all of those stuff, all of those red meat, deli meat is not good for fiber, so I don't buy them. But once in a blue moon, well, yeah, just know I'm not supposed to eat this. And I got me a yogurt. I'm really trying to get myself into eating yogurt, so I'm gonna definitely eat this today. After I have my cereal, I'm gonna have this today. I promise myself. Every time I go to these supermarkets, I always pick up a piece of this, sweets. And I bought this vanilla Alaska for the Cheerios. I'm not supposed to be having this too, but what I'm gonna have with the cereal, and I'm gonna try to get myself into almond milk too. So yeah, and I got these eggs are so tiny, guys, so tiny. And I got me oats. I need to buy I don't think this is the best one for me. but it's sufficient for now. And of course, green tea. It is essential green tea. This is what I drink every day. Green tea is good for 5 words. And the last thing I got was this granola whole grain oats. I'm actually gonna have this with my cereal. Oh, I'm gonna have this with my cereal instead of the regular oats. This is a first for me to have this. So I'm gonna try it. Hopefully it tastes good. Let me tear it right now. I am not a fan of these. Can I even bite this stuff? Oh, it's whole grain oats with crisp rice and sunflower seeds. Right away, my braces has been hurting me for a while this week. I do have an upcoming appointment soon. Yeah, that's all I bought for today. So I'm just gonna make my cereal, stay in my couch, watch the YouTube. Once I'm finished with my cereal, I'm gonna have the yogurt. Like, I'm not gonna let today pass and I don't have it. Then I'm gonna season the chicken. I do have brown rice. I'm gonna have brown rice with the chicken today and spinach. I have been eating rice all this week. So weekend, I'm gonna have my mom purchase some ground provision, sweet potato, plantain, green banana, stuff like that, so I can have for next week, because this entire week I've been eating rice, which is not good for me, even though it's brown rice, but I still want to eliminate rice overall. This is not bad, actually. I like it. So it is, I don't know, I think it's moving on to 9 p.m. in the night. We cooked, we had our dinner, we relaxed, catch up on some YouTube videos. Now I'm listening to music, and now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna head to my friend's event. Oops, what's that? Yeah, I'm gonna head to my friend's event tonight, just for a few hours. I do not plan on staying long because I do have work tomorrow. If you guys don't know, if you're new to my channel, I work remotely. So yeah, I don't have local holidays. So everybody's off tomorrow. Like, majority of Jamaicans are off tomorrow. Lots of businesses are closed because it's a Labor Day tomorrow. So yeah, but I do have work tomorrow, so I don't plan on staying out long for tonight. But I figured, let me just do my makeup. I haven't done a makeup in a while too, so I was like, yeah, let me do my makeup and all of that. I forgot to clean my brushes. My brushes do need to be cleaned, so that is a task I need to add on my list. But we're just gonna quickly do a quick video. This is definitely not a tutorial or anything. Like, it's just, I'm just gonna quickly do my face. I'm gonna come back and show you guys my fit, and that will be the end of the video. I will not be showing you guys the event itself because it's not that type of video. It's really just like a reset, relaxing, those type of stuff. Well, I didn't do any cleaning in this video, but I did do like a tidying up. So yeah, it's really just like a little mini reset, not like an outside type of vlog. So let me just quickly get into the skin and I'll come back. I hope y'all not hearing the music. It feels like my music is low. I'm playing YouTube videos. My brushes are really dirty. By the way, I need to purchase a new set of brushes. I think that is my problem too. Like, I've had these brushes for so long. I bought them from Amazon. It's the BS Small. Yeah, I've had them for quite a amount of time. So I believe it's really time to get rid of it. For real. And I'm doing like a light beat, like I said. Alright guys, I am ready to go out. I do not have a light. My lamp is not plugged in. I hope you guys can see me. But I'm just wearing this Fashion Over romper. You guys have seen me in this before. My MK bag, and I'm gonna wear a brown sandals, brown or gold sandals to match my bag because I do have on gold accessories. And yeah, the makeup not bad. It's not bad. And yeah, I'm gonna head out right now because it's 9:40 something, and I just wanna just go support and come back at me ad. But yeah, I appreciate you. You know what? Let me turn around the camera. Hold on. I really appreciate you guys so much for watching the video and spending this little calming, relaxing. Yeah, thank you so much, and subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in another video. Remember to thumbs up the video as well. Bye bye.